What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Sprout Social. Sprout Social is the leading social media management platform that empowers businesses to drive real results and build stronger connections with their audience. With powerful analytics, seamless integrations, and enterprise-grade solutions, Sprout Social helps organizations of all sizes navigate the ever-evolving social media landscape and achieve their marketing goals. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. Sprout Social's centralized engagement platform streamlines workflows and enables internal collaboration with a consolidated inbox for customer insights across channels. The platform integrates with Salesforce Service Cloud to optimize customer experience by centralizing conversations. Users can gain insights from key review sites, quickly address customer needs with spike alerts, and resolve questions faster with automated chatbots. The platform offers unlimited tags, custom views, and bulk actions for organizing and customizing replies, as well as prioritizing urgent cases and understanding agent productivity with team reports. AI-powered sentiment detection helps prioritize high-priority messages and monitor brand health. Efficient social media publishing. Sprout Social's publishing feature helps maximize audience engagement by delivering content at optimal times based on 16 weeks of audience data. Users can efficiently plan and schedule content across multiple profiles and networks, increase website traffic using a customizable link in bio solution, and quickly find brand-relevant content to share. The platform simplifies collaboration and maintains brand standards with approval workflows, centralizes asset management with integrations, monitors campaign performance with URL tracking, and adds engaging sales opportunities with product links and tags. Comprehensive social media analytics. Sprout Social's analytic features help optimize social ad spend by identifying top-performing campaigns across channels and audiences. Users can increase reach and grow their following by using hashtags their audience is already following, quickly evaluate social growth with high-level overview of performance across all profiles, and analyze volume, performance patterns, and campaign effectiveness using tagged messages. The platform helps understand what content resonates with the audience by analyzing cross-channel post performance, benchmark the organization's performance against competitors, and measure team productivity and improve customer care by tracking individual user response times and case completion. Powerful social media listening. Sprout Social's listening features enable users to monitor brand reputation and identify potential issues or opportunities by tracking mentions across social media. The platform helps find relevant conversations to engage with, using advanced Boolean search capabilities, identify influential users to potentially partner with or engage in conversations, and understand the sentiment behind brand mentions to identify areas for improvement or celebration. Users can stay ahead of emerging trends and topics relevant to their brand and industry, gain competitive intelligence by tracking and analyzing competitor mentions, and visualize and share key listening insights with customizable dashboards. Effective influencer marketing. Sprout Social's influencer marketing features help users find relevant influencers based on their brand's niche, audience, and goals. The platform enables vetting influencers' audience demographics, engagement rates, and brand alignment, managing influencer campaigns from start to finish, building and maintaining long-term relationships with influencers, tracking key metrics like impressions, engagement, and conversations from influencer campaigns, streamlining influencer payments and managing budgets, and ensuring influencers are properly disclosing sponsored content. Empowering employee advocacy. Sprout Social's employee advocacy feature provides employees with a curated library of brand-approved content to share, optimize employee content sharing by scheduling posts at optimal times, increase employee participation with gamification and rewards, empower sales teams with social selling tools and content, onboard new employees with training and resources to get them up to speed quickly, track employee participation, reach, and engagement to measure program success, and ensure employee posts align with brand guidelines and compliance monitoring. When it comes to pricing, Sprout Social offers 4 pricing plans to suit the needs of businesses of all sizes. The standard plan comes at $199 per seat per month when billed annually. This includes 5 social profiles, publishing and scheduling tools, monitoring, reporting, and mobile apps. Professional plan comes at $299 per seat per month when billed annually. This includes everything in standard, plus unlimited social profiles, competitive reports, message tagging, custom workflows, saved replies, trend analysis, and paid social reporting. The advanced plan comes at $399 per seat per month when billed annually. This includes everything in professional plus external approvals. The enterprise plan is a custom pricing. It includes everything in advanced plus tailored implementation, onboarding, and prioritized customer support. Additional premium solutions like social listening, premium analytics, employee advocacy, and influencer marketing can be added to any plan. Sprout Social also offers a 30-day free trial with no credit card required for all plans except Enterprise. Sprout Social is the all-in-one social media management platform that empowers businesses to streamline workflows, engage with customers, publish content efficiently, gain actionable insights, and drive real results. With its comprehensive features, seamless integrations, and enterprise-grade solutions, Sprout Social is the trusted partner for over 30,000 businesses worldwide, navigating the ever-evolving social media landscape and achieving their marketing goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.